Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video we are going to see job opportunities available for mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, civil engineer and chemical engineer. So first thing is I will be giving the link in the description. So when you click on the link, it will be directing to the official page. So this is the official page of IREL India Limited, and when you scroll down you will be seeing these details. So below that you will be having a column called career. So you have to click on the option or icon career. When you click on the icon, it will be directing to this page. So just scroll down, you can see various advertisement. So you have to click on this advertisement because this is the one which we going to apply. So when you click here, it will be directing to this page. So there will be two options. First one will be you have to click here to apply for online for filling the or applying for the job. Second is the detailed advertisement. So first you click detailed advertisement, read all terms and conditions and keep everything ready, and then go for applying for the job. So when you click on detailed advertisement, you will be getting a page like this. So here it's one of the most important things is just see the opening date it is 15/9 and closing date and time is 5 October. Okay, so just make a note of it. Before 5th October you have to fill this and complete it everything. And here we can see various number of name of the post. So here you will be seeing the post code, just keep a note of it. And here you can see the name of the post which we going to apply. So many posts are there, so whichever relevant for you, just apply and get the needed things. See here, you can apply for a diploma or trainee. For those who finished in mining, chemical, mechanical can apply for this job. Totally 18 vacancies are there. And if you see here, here we will be having a diploma trainee technical. So that's what we saw. So here we will be having a graduate trainee. Total vacancy is 6. So if you are fitting this this post, means you can apply for the job. Next thing is for graduate engineer trainee. So graduate in any discipline from recognized university with a 60% mark. Diploma means 3 years in diploma in mining, chemical, mechanical, electrical and civil engineering from a recognized university having a minimum of 50% mark. So age relaxation they have been giving for various category. So depending upon the category, the age relaxation will be keep on varying. Just make a note of it. And selection will be in written test only. See here they clearly given selection will be based on a written test. Then they will be keeping skill test, group discussion, interview, etc. So after shortlisting they will be releasing the final list. So written test will be of two paper 1, paper 2. Paper 1 will be subject knowledge, paper 2 will be general knowledge, numerical ability, reasoning ability, general in English, etc. So depending upon the post code, things also vary. So kindly make a note of it to which post code you are applying for it. And for ITI and one more thing is written test is kept only in here Mumbai, Trivandrum and Bhubaneswar. For ITI it's in Bhubaneswar. So keep a note of it. And most important thing is the non-refundable application fee of 400 rupees. So whatever application fee you are paying, you can't refund even if you don't attend the interview also. So kindly take this very serious. And if you want to apply only, you apply, or else you just leave it. Next thing is how to apply is they will be giving the website link. If you click that link, it will be directing you to the official page. So there you have to fill your application sequence number, password which you received in mail and mobile, and re-log into your account by entering the new user ID and password. And you have to fill the application and form and upload the photo, signature and relevant documents. So make payment through net banking or debit or credit card. Press submit button and take a printout of your application form for future reference. So I hope so it will be a very useful video for mechanical, electrical, civil, chemical engineers. So kindly share with them. And do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator, then only you will be receiving all the videos which we upload. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.